They sent Earth a doomsday bomb. Humans sent it back upgraded. The object entered the Sol system without slowing. No warning broadcast, no declaration of war, no fleet escort, just a single mass, dark, angular, silent, sliding past the orbit of Jupiter like it had always belonged there. Earth sensors caught it immediately. The algorithms flagged it within seconds. Unidentified device, massive energy density. Intent, unknown. By the time it crossed Mars's orbit, intent was no longer in question. The object began transmitting. A simple signal, clean, calm, almost polite. This device will render your planet uninhabitable. Compliance is unnecessary. Observation will follow. Every government on Earth heard it at the same time. The galaxy watched. Because this species, the Krell Dominion, was known for exactly one thing. They did not invade. They demonstrated. Civilizations that resisted were erased quietly, efficiently, and without spectacle. One device, one planet, one lesson. Earth had 7 days. Emergency councils formed, militaries mobilized, panic surged, then settled into something quieter. Focus. The object was intercepted near the asteroid belt. Not destroyed, not disabled. Captured, towed. Carefully. When alien observers realized what humanity was doing, confusion rippled through the Dominion's analysis cores. Why have they not attempted evacuation? One Krell overseer asked. Why are they bringing it closer? Another queried. The device was moved into a secure orbital dock above Earth. Human scientists gathered around it. Not in fear, in curiosity. Dr. Aisha Rahman stared at the readouts, lips parted in awe. This isn't a bomb, she said slowly. The room stilled. It's a system, she corrected. A planet-scale environmental collapse engine. It doesn't explode. It converts. Energy into heat. Heat into atmospheric failure. Failure into silence. It's elegant, someone whispered. That's disgusting, Aisha replied. But elegant. The countdown ticked. 6 days. Human engineers began taking it apart. Not recklessly. Methodically. They learned fast. The device wasn't locked. It wasn't encrypted. The Krell had never needed to protect it. No one had ever tried to understand one before. By day 4, humanity knew how it worked. By day 3, they knew how to rebuild it. That's when the message went out. A response, broadcast on every known Krell frequency. Hello, the human message began. Friendly, casual. This is Earth. The Krell Dominion paused their observation routines. We received your device, the message continued. Thank you for the delivery. Confusion spiked. We've taken the liberty of making some adjustments. A pause. Then a visual feed attached. The device, now clearly modified, floated in orbit. Its surface shimmered with new plating, new conduits, new output channels. We noticed your design focuses on destruction, the human voice said. Efficient, but limited. Another pause. So we upgraded it. The Krell analysts surged forward. Explain, the Dominion demanded. Aisha stepped into frame. She smiled politely. We removed the planetary kill function, she said. Didn't seem sporting. Gasps, translated approximations, rippled through Krell command, and replaced it with something more interesting. The device activated. Not violently, gracefully. Energy arced outward, not toward Earth but away. A controlled wave surged through the void and struck a dead system light years away. Sensors lit up. A star-long classified as inert flared gently. Stabilized. Planets once frozen began to warm. Atmospheres formed. A dead system revived. The room went silent. You weaponized creation? A Krell elder hissed. Aisha shook her head. No, we repurposed your math. The human voice returned. Your bomb was very good at changing environments, it said. You just aimed it at the wrong outcome. The upgraded device powered down. We're sending it back now, the voice continued. Fully functional, with schematics attached. The Krell Dominion recoiled. You expect us to accept this? They demanded. We expect you to think, the human replied. The device disengaged from Earth orbit, turned, and accelerated back toward Krell space. No weapons fired, no threats issued, just a gift and a challenge. Across the galaxy, the reaction was immediate. Civilizations whispered, not about human strength, but human audacity. They hadn't destroyed the doomsday weapon. They hadn't surrendered. They'd looked at annihilation and asked how it could be better. Weeks later, a Krell transmission arrived. Short, Uncharacteristically uncertain. Clarify usage parameters. Aisha smiled when she read it. Humanity responded with a single line. Depends what kind of galaxy you want to live in. The Krell never sent another bomb. They sent envoys instead. Because the lesson was clear. Humans didn't just survive extinction-level threats. They reverse-engineered them, and if you handed them the end of the world, they might send it back. Not sharper, not louder, but rewritten. If this touched you, show your love in whatever way feels right.